Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect your Evo Seedbox with Ambi and stream your movies and TV series that are available in your Seedbox directly using Ambi application. So this is our Evo Seedbox dashboard, and in application we will search for MB and click on install. So this is another alternative to other streaming applications like Plex and Jellyfin. But with Ambi, you can even stream using a mobile application. If we click on info, we will be able to see Ambi Media, their own website, and see the capabilities of this application and how it is different from Jellyfin and Plex. So let's see how it works. So first step is install the server, that is our Seedbox, and we have installed MB on our Seedbox. That means we will be able to configure it. Then second is download the apps. Then our app is already in our Evo Seedbox, and we will use it to configure it. But we can use applications in Ambi applications in televisions and mobile phone as well, and enjoy our personal media. That is our files that are available in your seed boxes. So it automatically organizes, and there are features like parental control and everything that you get with the Ambi. And there is a premium version as well, but in this video I'm going to show you about the free version, and that can be help you to fetch files from Seedbox directly. So our Ambi is installed, and we'll just click on open. So this is Ambi. First, we have to configure it so that it can fetch files from our Seedbox. Then and only then we will be able to stream our files on MB. So this is the configuration screen, and we will choose our preferred language. You can keep any language that you want to. We are going to go with English in this video. Click on next, and then you have to create your user first, so you can keep whatever username that you want to, and you can create a password for it, and just confirm your password once again. And if you have any previous Ambi accounts, you can connect them using your username or email address, and that way your current MB account will be able to integrate with the one that you are creating right now that is connected with your Seedbox. So we'll have to set up some media libraries. So just click on new, add new libraries. So a pop-up window will appear, and content type, you can select multiple content type, that is mixed content if you have a single folder for all your movies and TV shows. But if you have different, so you can differentiate them using movies. And inside movies, you can even rename your folder directly. Then you'll have to add the folder, basically select the path from your Seedbox in which you have downloaded your files, and our default path is basically inside downloads, inside manual folder, with your Evo Seedbox, and just click on it and click on OK. You can even add shared network folders as well. And your settings, you can personalize Ambi according to your needs. You can the metadata that MB will fetch, you can choose the language itself. You can change images. You can select the downloaders from which metadata will be fetched. You can choose to organize thumbnails. You can choose to download subtitles as well. I have selected English. There are many languages for which you can choose subtitles, and there is this option of advanced settings. In advanced settings, you can actually customize it more according to your needs, resume percentage, minimum resume percentage, and everything. So once you are done with configuration, click on OK. Here you can see a folder has been created, and this is the path of that folder inside our Seedbox. So we have successfully added files from our Seedbox to MB. Then we'll click on next. Here are meta description language. You can select it to your preference again. Click on next, and allow remote connections with the MB server. It's okay if we can allow it, and just click on next. and we accept the terms of service. Next, and you're done. Yeah, that is it. Your Ambi has finally connected with your Evo Seedbox client, and there are multiple applications for Ambi at multiple platforms. You can get it on Google Play on your mobile phone. You can get it on your iOS laptop or a desktop. There is Windows option, there is Windows 7 option, and there is Kodi. You can configure Ambi with Kodi as well to stream movies and organize them. And as soon as you click on finish, you will be inside Ambi software itself. And here you have to select your user login that you created before beginning the configuration. So type your username and your password, and then click on sign in. So here you can see all the movies that were in your seed box will be available over here, and it will take some time to synchronize everything, every movie, and you can even stream it using your Wi-Fi devices. So that is it for this video. I hope you understood how to configure your Ambi application with your Seedbox so that you can seamlessly watch movies or any TV series or any videos that you want to using your Ambi application. And subscribe if you want to learn more about Seedbox and other application and how to configure them. And thanks for watching. Happy seedboxing.